So it's been a while since I've done a haul and I'm finally feeling in the mood. Almost $800 worth of clothes. Yesdale's actually finally branching out to higher end sustainable brands in Korea. And this brand is called Rolla Rolla. I used to shop for Rolla Rolla on W Concept, which is a huge deal. This is a monumental moment, okay? And then the rest are just, you know, sporadic. So I got this set of 2 sweaters for one price, and that's a steal. This one has the Rolla Rolla logo right here in this fun curved shaped teddy bear like the kind of sweaters that you'll see girls or guys wear, and you're just like, that is such a freaking cute sweater. So subtle. On the inside of the neck, it has the Rolla Rolla branding trace, actually only on the back, so on my back. The brand color, surprise, surprise, for once I'm not wearing naked white bras. Oh my god, the quality is to die for. Softness, literally a blanketo. Super chill. The black one says Rolla Archive. Has such nice weight. It's the softest thing you'll feel all winter. Softer than your boyfriend. And this is the softness that's not gonna stick under your sweaty armpit. Ooh yeah, back is plain. Look at the quality of this black. Your friend and you should split the price and get one each. And you know what? If you stay on this channel, I'm gonna start giving away some of Rolla Rolla sweaters as well. This is a bathing suit. What world are you in right now? Keep in mind about this like 2 months ago. Such high quality. We love nice padding. Our titty witties are not gonna flap out everywhere in the water, huh? I don't know how friendly it'd be to dry off. Literally like fabric. Very conservative. Has a knotting pattern all the way down vertical and a little peekaboo moment. Woo! You wait, 2023, here it comes. So Rolla Rolla has this very preppy, girly, kind of retro. If that's your style, then go for it. $60. I don't know if I'll match this, honestly. I get excited for the color, okay? Okay, maybe a bra to like help. You know, all my life I wanted to be tall and lengthy. And instead I got back this as lengthy. God, my priorities were mixed up. Would it look funny if I tuck it? Okay, I don't know when I'll wear this out, but it could be a cute look. It's so different from my style. Super casual though, I'd wear this out just like, would I? I just got it because I really like the color. Yes, talking about preppy. I thought I was gonna be able to pop the colors. Okay, we're not gonna do that right now. I got a defected one? All the defected ones go to Yes Style? And here I thought I was making a big move. I mean, the idea is there, okay? That's all that counts. Check out my Poshmark for things I don't want. Marked at a very low price. I do, however, fancy the green and the black. I mean, you don't really see knitted sweaters with this green outlining unless you're like from England. The color combo, beautiful. The R, beautiful. Symbolic emblem, beautiful. On me, not the beautiful. I look like a snowman. This sweater makes this top look so much better. The lesson here is always stand next to someone uglier than you because then you look better. I'm just kidding. But low-key, there's truth to that because look, this is uglier on me than this. This is my Poshmark pile, by the way. This is going directly in there. I wore this top and this is from Lip Hop. I fell in love. I also have something I wanted to ask you guys randomly. How would you guys feel if I introduced my boyfriend to you guys? It's always something I've always wanted to do with him, but of course I respected his privacy, and I also took this time around to just really keep him to myself, keep our relationship super private, or more private than my previous. Would you guys be interested in meeting him? He's super gentle, so be nice. Linda. Wow, Faye, you look more like yourself. You may think this is just a cute little cowl tank. Ruching on the side. I'm not wearing a bra, so maybe I could fix the straps to help this crisis out. It's such a nice piece to have because you could totally dress this to like a cocktail party, going out with the girls, casually running errands. I love clothes like that. You mix and match and mark your territory and go. Pretty short. I think it's worth it for my short girls, alright? It is this darker brown, so it's super subtle. I think brown is so underrated in clothing. You have to get something brown in your wardrobe. I know I'm being dramatic, but it's a game changer. We love brown. So I got this dress. I tried it on already and it doesn't fit. What are you gonna say, Faye? Get clothes that fit you. But it's Yes Style. Listen, Linda, have I not been saying this for 3 years? I'm picking large, my size, but it's a medium in Asia, and they don't carry an extra large in these dresses. I know I could just avoid it all and not get it, but when I'm skinny, I could wear it. Let me try to get in, okay? Look how cute this dress would have been though. The zipper won't up. Use your imagination to pretend that this fits. Not too short, it's not too long. White, blue, floral, but it's okay. Am I still gonna keep this dress? I want to. For when I'm skinnier, you know what I mean? But I'm trying to like fix that internal rooted issue in me. It's okay, most of us do. It makes me feel better. This, I I've actually shown this a couple times already on Instagram. Got to be the most flattering dress for an apple shape like me, or upside down triangle, whatever you want to call me. Hear me out. Right in the cinching of the tummy, it's a bit tighter and it has these two diagonal lines falling outward, which does help bring in that slimmer waist. This backing is stretchy, so it allows all of that back fat to kind of sit there and like not get squished up toward the top. Not the cutest if you have broad shoulders, or again you have that upside down look. The strap really helps cut the width apart, so you're more in this like defined area. Everything looks upright. I kind of like the spillage on the side. I think it really adds to this like hourglass foolery. It makes it look like you're full busty trusty. It has this fun hourglass illusion. And then there's one slit here that's just, oh my golly. And there's ruching right in the center with a little bit of padding. The padding's sucky. Literally, this is everything in a dress that I would highly recommend for body shapes like me. This color, and underneath you do have protection, not that like you need it. No one pays for iPhone insurance, come on. It hides my fat calves. I will say though, if you're like a borderline size 8 to 10, it's gonna be a little squeeze to get into it. Gives me curves, and I don't have curves. Get this dress. This fabric dress feels like a pillowcase. There are more pros than cons. I don't really care. This is a sage tank, and I absolutely love this. It has a ton of this folding ruching in the chesty bestie area. The straps are probably like ½ an inch wide. You can wear it with jeans, whatever you want. It holds everything in place, even if I'm like going to war. But the downside to that is the fact that the sides are poking through. That's not the cutest right here. That's my only complaint. But if you have long hair, as any big girl with long hair does, we like to spread our hair out, kind of covers everything up. Maybe it's not the season for it anymore, but a good tank will always be a good tank. Flannel crop to go on top of everything, but I don't like the texture that much. I don't love how it sits on my body. It's very stiff and it just needs to be broken into. It's not bad. It's not fugly either. So yeah, I mean, I think it's a little too short. Maybe if it was underneath the busty trusties, I'd feel more comfortable wearing this. This will probably go on Poshmark. $5. This is just a normal brown high scoop neck, tighter knit on the arms. These tops, because they're so high up, there's no space or opening down here. It does tend to make it look like you have a longer set of jugs. In this situation, it can totally pass. I think it's cute. You're able to just kind of let it like swoop out. The t-shirt itself is ribbed. Again, with shades of brown, you can never go wrong. T-shirt where you can just let the girls hang. Ooh, I went with this colorful minty teal green hoodie. Pink navy outlined lettering. Inside of the lettering is this carpet look. Fuzzy texture. Always be with friends, have fun, play hard. The inside material is more of that rough texture though. I feel like it's a little tight already. It's not oversized enough where I can wear it without pants. It's cute, but it's like so heavy and sturdy on top. It makes your body look like a snow cone. Does it glow at night? I don't know. I do like this little patch down here by the pocket. I want to like this so much. It's looking so heavy on top that it's not like the most flattering. So maybe if I scrunch it. Okay, it looks better if I just wear it like this. No, maybe if I tuck it. No, a crop sweater. How do you look bad in a hoodie? Well, so I got this random blue t-shirt. I think this is from Lip Hop as well. It has a zipper at the back. The neck kind of scoops up a bit into like a mock. Ooh, you should listen goosey. It is so tight on the twins. The armpits itself, I'm already sweating. I can't zip it up. I can't even attempt to. But you can see there's potential. Not on me. Maybe on you. Definitely too suffocating. I think if you saw me wearing this, you'd be like, oh, it's a cute color. But that is a small shirt. Like, look at this. It's not supposed to look like this. My arms look disoriented. It's kind of choking. That's the ultimate sign that a shirt's too small for you, when your airways are suffocated. Next is this workout set. I'm pretty impressed. The straps are a little loose. I feel like they might just slide off. Honestly, this top makes for a really good top on its own. You gotta be careful. It might just... There's this bigger band on top of these biker shorts. It doesn't necessarily hit my tummy part, so you can still see my tummy hanging out. Would I wear it to the gym? Probably not. I'm too insecure. It feels elongating to the body. My muffin tops make this curve like on the side. I don't feel like I can pull this off. I recommend. Here's the next top, and I just wanted you guys to see the texture of this. It's slippery too. Very basic and simple. Elongated. They look like eggplants right now. From Rolla is this skirt. Wow. I was gonna straight up get skirt. This is like 90 bucks. A little nervous to see. Can't zip. It has this splitting, which is really nice. Super sophisticated. I'm a huge fan of the length. I think that's what it is. Yeah, the back is unfortunate. These are the last clothing pieces. They're kind of boring, honestly. Lounge around the house kind of top. Super light, very thin. I thought it would be nice to be like sexy on a Friday night and with this and like nothing else on. You could totally wear it out if you wear the right undergarment. Here's the black version. The last things from this haul are actually socks. Super cute teddy bear and all. Tagging on the back of the sock. I bought all the same styles. This lettuce lacing curling on top. Different colors. Regular schmegler. That concludes this haul. I do have a couple exciting things this month, so I hope I see you then. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
出会いと別れ情報